right, today we're gonna bring 3 bamboo cutting boards, and because it's bamboo, it's they take some water resistance, so it's perfect. They're not gonna bend on water. All right, these are perfect. They're lighter, stronger, durable, perfect to cut items, either fruit, meats, or even salads if you want. So that's optional on these things. Now they have drip corners, if you guys notice. So when you're cutting meat or something, all the blood and all the water goes to the corners. You don't have to worry about it. VEVOR is engraved and laser engraved. Larger one and the largest one. So the smallest one for small little projects to big giant size meals. Now I like this part of the cutting board. Everything's gonna drip. It's gonna drip to one way. You could grab them in the back. I'm gonna show you guys in the back. There's little grabbing areas here that you could grab the plates, the actual cutting boards, right, and use them. You can use the board pretty much for entrees, meals, and so forth. You could even eat out of them. So I like these. Washable, yes. Dishwashable, I wouldn't want to recommend you guys, but you can because they're bamboo. But I wouldn't want to do it so they could last you longer. So you get 1, 2, and 3. Hope you guys enjoy the video.